Hello, this is Johnny B. Bed, 6661, John F.K. Page again. I don't know how to put this to you, but this is a warning, or just an advisory, a warning and an advisory for people who are pushing up on Jews in these trains around in the subway system here in New York City. Just a little note of warning to you. Some of these Jews that come over from Israel, they have trained, and they're very well trained in hand-to-hand combat. They're very well trained in weapons. They're very well trained in disarming people. You know who the Jewish military is, right? The IDF. They're practically, I hate to put it on this basis, but almost every one of them are basically special forces. And the number of years of combat they've seen and people fucking with them throughout their entire history. So they're pretty good at dealing with people who like to mess with them on the train. I don't know if the ones that you were the ones that they were, the two black guys that were pushing up on the ones that were in the train had that kind of training, but the ones that do, you push up on them, they're going to hand you your ass. Plain and simple. You could be going out in a stretcher, out of the subway station in a stretcher. Guarantee it. Okay. Game plan is over with. It's time to turn up the heat. Shabbat Shalom, Laila Tov, Boker Tov. Adonai. Lahaim. Okay? Just got to be careful. This is Johnny B. Bad, 6661, John F.K. Page. Give you another video vlog here, something.